welcome back to my channel. Today I'm planning for the 14th through to the 20th of May, and I'm using this kit from Claire Bear Prints. This is her Bookworm kit, which is pretty appropriate for me at the moment, I feel like, because I have had a lot of assessments due this week. I've got a few coming up soon and I have finals not too far off, so I'm doing lots of reading. Not fun reading, but lots of reading nonetheless. The weather is finally cooling down here. It's finally getting quite cool, so it's not too bad when I have reading for school. I can curl up with a blanket and sort of get cozy. So I have lots to do today. It's Sunday. I am actually planning out this week in advance for once, but it does mean I have to hurry up and do this so that I can do my test that I have this afternoon. It's actually due Monday morning, but I'm going to see my nana tomorrow, so I'm not going to be able to do it before 9 AM. Like, who has a test due at 9 AM? Seriously. So that's got to be done tonight. But anyway, that's enough of me rambling. Let's get into it. guys, I just wanted to quickly come on at the end and apologize for how empty my week is and how many big spots there are. I had intentions of planning this out a bit more fully, but I just know that things are going to change up quite a bit even after tomorrow. Depends how much I get done this day. So really I've just put in like the sort of major things that aren't going to change, like school and public holiday and birthdays and things like that. So what I do when I have weeks like this, I'll just explain, because I don't want you guys to think that I just don't plan anything ahead. I have to. I can't just not plan. But if I fill stuff in and then have to cross it out or rub it out, it's just going to stress me out and confuse me. So what I do is I have my brain dump back here in my notes insert. It's basically just a running to-do list that I tick off as I do them. I'll also have some kind of notepad on my desk sitting out like this. So I have this week and just a bunch of like scribbly notes basically. So, and then what I will typically do is sit in bed every evening and get my planner out and have a look and see what I've accomplished that day and see what I can tick off my brain dump list and sort of think about what I want to accomplish the following day. And then I will tend to fill this out a bit more and I'll put a checklist in if I've got a bunch of things to do. My weeks are just not strictly scheduled out. Like, my life is so freeform. Even when my son's at school, my little one is still at home 24 hours a day. So that's how I do it. That's what works for me. I have a whole separate planner for my study. I am going to do a video on my study planner. I'll probably do it at the end of semester when it's all finished and I can show you what I actually use, because I intended to use some things in that I never ended up using. So that is everything. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.